Tanya.
I teach CBSE 8 Maths.
I teach CBSE 10th Maths.
Okay, now let's get into the video.
Today we are going to be learning Chapter 9, Some Applications of Trigonometry, Exercise 9.1, 15th question. Alright, now let's read the question. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A man standing at the top of a tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degrees, which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degrees. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from the point. Alright, so this is the question. Okay. So now by reading the question, no, let us draw the figure. Okay. So a straight highway leads to the foot of the tower. Okay. So now let us draw a highway. So highway, it is in ground level, isn't it? So let us draw a highway. This is the highway. Okay. So this highway leads to the foot of a tower. Okay. So now let us draw a tower. Okay, so this is the tower. Okay, so this highway leads to the foot of the tower. This is the meaning of that. Okay, so once again I'll write the tower. So this is the tower. All right, so now let's read further. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degrees. So there is a man at the top of the tower. Okay, so he observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degrees. Alright, so first of all let's draw the angle of depression. So this is the angle of depression. Okay, so now I am not going to write the angle. Okay, you will get to know why. Okay, which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degrees. So here this sentence is really important. 6 seconds later. So if the car is right over here, so after 6 seconds, no, the car will reach somewhere here. So now let us draw the angle of depression. Why? Because they mentioned that 6 seconds later the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degrees. So we are supposed to draw an angle of depression. Perfect. So now let us talk about the angle. Okay, so now since they are talking about angle of depression, no, we are supposed to draw a horizontal line like this. Okay, so this is the horizontal line. Okay, so first, no, according to the question, first the angle of depression of 30 degrees. So first when we drew the angle of depression, it is 30 degrees, isn't it? Then here it's gonna be 30 degrees. Okay, and then the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degrees. So that means here this complete angle is 60 degrees. Okay, this is the meaning of the angles. Okay, so now since you guys know the angles now, we can write it. So here if it is, so I'll mark it. Okay, so here black color portion. Okay, so here it is 30 degree. Here if it is 30 degree means here it will be 30 degree. Okay, and then here this complete angle is 60 degree means here it will be 60 degree. Okay. Okay, alright. So now let us name this figure, that is A, B, C and D. Okay, so this is the figure A, B, C, D. Okay, so now what are we supposed to find? We are supposed to find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from the point. So here after 6 seconds the car reached here, isn't it? So now we are supposed to find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower. This is the tower, this is the foot of the tower. So we are supposed to find the time between them. Okay, alright guys, so I just drew the figure again. So here now since we are supposed to find the time, okay, time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower. So we are supposed to find the time, isn't it? So remember guys, whenever they talk about time, no, we should know one formula, that is speed is equal to distance by time. Okay, so whenever they talk about time, no, we should remember this formula. Okay, all right. So now what is the speed? Okay, so here they didn't mention the speed. The only thing they mentioned is uniform speed, isn't it? So let us take it as yes, and then is equal to distance. So when the car was right over here, it traveled till a point. Okay, it traveled till 6 seconds later, no, it reached here. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, so here, no, the distance here it is AB. So AB divided by, and then time. So here 6 seconds later it reached here, isn't it? So the time taken is 6 seconds. So let us write 6. All right. Okay, so now let us do cross multiply. When we do cross multiply, we will get AB is equal to 6. Yes. Okay, so now we got a value, isn't it? Let us take it as equation number 1. Okay, so when the car traveled from this point A to this point, we got a value here. We just took it as equation number 1. Okay, so I'll write for distance AB, we got like this value. Okay, so now let us find for distance BC. Okay, why am I taking it separately? Why? Because the car traveled from here to here, and again from here to here the car traveled, isn't it? According to the question, no, they told us that first the car started its travel from this point A, and it reached after 6 seconds, no, it reached here. Okay, again the car traveled from here to the foot of the tower. Okay, so here we have two distance, that is AB and BC. That's why I just found it separately. Okay, so for finding the distance BC also, let us apply this formula. So here we don't know speed, right? So let us take it as S is equal to distance, here it is BC, and divided by, what about time? So here they didn't mention the time, so let us write T. I cross multiply. So BC is equal to ST. Okay, so let us take it as equation number 2. Alright, why did I take separate distance? Why? Because the car traveled from here to here, and then again it traveled from here to here. That is the reason why I wrote it separately. Okay, so here we don't know the height of the tower as well. So one second. So here we don't know the height of the tower, so let us take it as H. Okay, so now let us take one triangle, that is triangle ACD. Okay, all right guys, so now let us take one triangle ACD. So in triangle ACD, in this triangle ACD, I am going to take tan. So ACD, here the angle is 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is equal to, so what is the opposite side? So the opposite side is DC. So DC divided by, adjacent side is AC. Perfect. So now what is the value for tan 30 degree? So the tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3 is equal to DC. Here DC, that is the height of the tower, we took it as H. So let us take it as H divided by AC. So AC is right over here. We can actually write AB plus BC. So let us write AB plus BC. Okay, so now what we can do, of course you guys know we are supposed to do cross multiply. So when we do cross multiply, we will get AB plus BC is equal to root 3H. Okay, so we will get something like this. Alright, so now let us write from equation 1 and 2. Okay, so from equation 1 and 2, so what is equation number 1? So the equation number 1 is AB is equal to 6x, isn't it? So here we have, so first I will write it as it is. Okay, so first we have AB plus BC is equal to root 3h. We got something like this right over here, isn't it? So here we got AB is equal to 6x. So let's write that AB is 6x plus BC we got it as ST. So here you can see we got BC value as ST. So ST is equal to root 3h. Okay, so here since I have two s right over here, I can actually take it as common. So let us take it as common. Then I will get 6 plus t. Then is equal to root 3 into h. Okay, so now what are we supposed to do? So now let us get this root 3 to this side. Then when we get it to this side, it changes into division. Okay, and then is equal to h. Alright, so now we got the height of the tower, isn't it? But we want the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower. So what are we going to do is, now I am going to take another one triangle, that is triangle BCD. Okay, so let's take the triangle in triangle BCD. Okay, so in this triangle BCD, so here the angle is 60 degree. So tan 60 degree is equal to, so the opposite side is DC and adjacent side is BC. DC by BC. Okay, so tan 60 degree value is root 3 is equal to DC value is h divided by BC value is ST. So here BC value is ST, DC value we took it as h, isn't it? Okay, so now what we can do is, now let us do cross multiply. So when I do cross multiply, I will get h is equal to root 3 into ST. Alright, so now the question here it is, we got 2 h value. So here also I got a h value, isn't it? And here also I got a h value. So what I am going to do is, I am going to equate them. Okay, so let us equate them. So I will write it here. Alright, so I will write equating values of h. Okay, why? Because we got 2 h values, isn't it? So first we got it as this value, that is s bracket 6 plus t close the bracket divided by root 3, and then equating them means equaling them. Okay, so is equal to another one h value we got it as root 3 s into t. Okay, so let's write root 3 s into t. Perfect. So now what we can do is, now we can do cross multiply. Cross multiply. So when we just do cross multiply, we'll get s bracket 6 into 6 plus, bracket 6 plus t close the bracket is equal to 3 st. Okay, you guys might be wondering, so root 3 into root 3 is 3. Okay, perfect. So now we can cancel the s values and then let's write the rest of the values, that is 6 plus t is equal to 3t. Okay, so now 6 is equal to 3t. So when this t comes to this side, it changes into minus t. Okay, alright. So now 6 is equal to 3t minus t is 2t. Okay, alright. So now 6 is equal to, so when here it is multiplication, when it comes to this side, it changes into division. So now let us cancel. So 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. So what is the t value, guys? So the t value is 3.
So this is our answer. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.